Hello everyone, you are watching Learn Easy with us. We provide educational and training videos every day. To stay updated with our latest content, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below after watching the video. Without any delay, let's get started. Ready? Let's dive into today's topic.
Let's use custom instructions as a template for frequently encountered problems. Here's a project I was working on where I was inputting scripts and I was needing ChatGPT to analyze the scripts and then give me some moments to use text animations. I had this prompt here and it worked pretty well, but because these were really long chats, ChatGPT would forget the original prompt and I would need to continuously re-enter the prompt. So obviously that gets kind of annoying. And the quality of the responses was changing over time. At first, the quality would be pretty high, and then as we kept going, the further we got away from the prompt, the less it was understanding the original prompt. So this is obviously kind of frustrating. Now with custom instructions, it's no longer a problem. For all my time spent working on this project, re-entering the same prompt, I can now simply paste what I'm looking for into how I would like ChatGPT to respond. Now, every single time that I ask a question, I don't even need to put this prompt in. In this prompt, it describes how I would paste in a script. I would like ChatGPT to find 3 to 5 places for text animation, and based on the key vocabulary. So instead of having to paste in this prompt and paste in the script and the key vocab, I can save this and then only paste in the script and the vocabulary. Nothing more needs to be said, and ChatGPT will always know what the goal is. So this is extremely useful and will save you a ton of time on repetitive projects with ChatGPT.
Thanks for watching the video till the end. Please leave your thoughts below so we can discuss more about the topic. If you'd like to suggest a video that could help the community, feel free to message me on X or Instagram. We also share short videos on Instagram, so make sure to follow us there. Feel free to reach out. We'd love to hear from you, and might even create a video based on your suggestion.